Welcome to the TurnCage website builder guide. In this series, we'll explore how to effortlessly launch your site in 2025 using TurnCage's powerful features. Let's dive into the user interface of TurnCage. Navigating through its intuitive design will make your site building experience smooth and enjoyable. Choosing the right template is crucial. TurnCage offers a wide range of customizable options to suit your brand style and vision. Now, let's add content. TurnCage allows for seamless integration of images, text, and multimedia to make your site engaging. Understanding SEO is vital. We'll cover the basics of optimizing your site to ensure it reaches your target audience. Ready to sell? TurnCage makes setting up an e-commerce site straightforward, allowing you to showcase and sell your products online. In today's world, it's crucial that your site is mobile-friendly. TurnCage simplifies this process to enhance user experience across devices. Before hitting that Publish button, let's go through some final checks to ensure everything is set for your launch. Congratulations on your launch. Now, it's time to promote your site effectively. Let's explore some strategic marketing techniques. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to explore more resources about TurnCage and continue building your online presence.